Today I want to talk about how YouTube can actually make a lot of your dreams come true. There are a few things that I want to tell you very personally through this video. I know there are many of you who have been wanting to start a YouTube channel from a very long time, and I don't know, something or the other has always kept you from doing that. So this is my way of telling you that 2020 has already finished, almost over. You shouldn't wait even a single day to start with your YouTube channel. Let me talk a little bit about the money part over here, because a lot of us who are working to earn money. Of course, nobody can deny that, and it's important to have a nice life, to have the comforts of life. Even if you do not have the luxuries, at least everyone wants to have the comforts. So if you want to have those comforts of life and something has been stopping you till now, I urge you to start with your YouTube channel. There are a few things that I want to make you very clear through this video. First of all, the income from YouTube does not start at a very early stage. It does not. Okay, it takes time to start. And meanwhile, if you get demotivated and you don't want to continue anymore, it is only a negative for you. It's only a negative. Don't let yourself be demotivated. I'll tell you why. I worked for almost 2 years on YouTube before I could start making money from YouTube. And even now, I'm being honest with you, the income that I receive from YouTube is not very steady. It's not a steady income. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it falls down. I have absolutely no idea why that happens, because you know me, I'm very regular on my channel. I create videos very often. Quantity is something that becomes a quality for a channel after a while. Okay, we're gonna get to that. But before that, let me talk about how YouTube can actually, despite not being a very steady flow of income, can still make all your dreams come true. Let me get to point number 1 here. First of all, it may not be steady, but it will get you some income. Okay, it is going to get you something, if not a lot, little bit, but it is going to get you. Okay, there is going to be a bare minimum that you're going to be receiving after a certain level of growth on YouTube. Okay, so it's going to take you some time before you actually have a growth, and in my case it took me 2 years. Okay, I did not gain my subscribers in a matter of just a few months, or no, I did my channel did blow up, but I think the reason behind that blow up was a very passionate, extreme hard work, that phase of hard work that I did for 2 years without having any kind of growth. Okay, so sometimes you work hard and the results start to flow in, and sometimes when you work hard the results don't flow in. They don't flow in early, you are not seeing results, and then suddenly all that piled up amount of hard work that you had in the previous few years, it suddenly gives you the results. And that is what happened in my case. And it was a blow up, but I cannot say, nobody can say actually that I didn't deserve it. No, I worked very hard for it. And that is why I'm telling you that you will not know what will work in your favor. The video that actually picked up on my channel, that gave me a lot of subscribers in a very short span of time, was the video that was shot not even with a DSLR. You can't even play that video in a very good resolution because that was shot from a webcam of a laptop. I was just sitting in my normal t-shirt, I put on some lipstick and I opened the webcam and I just felt like talking in front of the camera. I started to talk the way I'm talking right now, and that video picked up. I had no clue that that video is gonna do so well. Had I been aware of that, probably I would have won something better. So coming back to my point, why do I say that YouTube can actually fulfill all your dreams, is that first of all, if you're creating videos and you're serious, YouTube somehow figures that out about you. Okay, and the algorithm part, I don't know how that works, but this is what my measurements have been out of that. The algorithms, they start to favor you. Okay, and somehow some of your videos start to gradually pick up, and sometimes they are even old videos, they are not even new videos. You are shocked. Sometimes it is so shocking because you did not know that something that was not working for you, the video that you had already discarded in your mind, you had already left all your hopes from that video, and suddenly that video is actually performing and it is getting you 50,000 views in one single day. And that is, how does the channel blow up? The channel blows up when one of your or two of your videos blow up. They suddenly start to get a lot of views, and then it comes down. It again comes down. It is again something that becomes a very regular thing. It is not a success anymore. But those phases, those small phases of little success, those phases are enough to get you a lot of subscribers. They are enough to actually create you a good asset. And once you create a YouTube channel that has lakhs of subscribers, it is something that is going to prove a major asset for you in the future. I'm telling you, it is something that is not only going to satisfy your money problems, it's not only going to take care of your money issues, it's also going to take care of your creative issues. You feel like doing something more. There are so many people who are doing jobs and they want to do something more with their life. It is going to take care of that hunger in you. It is going to take care of that urge where you want to add more value. And I think that is one major satisfaction that I receive out of my channel. I receive major satisfaction in this regard because I know that I am using my experience to enlighten others. Experiences, my life's knowledge, whatever I have seen, whatever I have experienced, everything I'm being able to share through a medium with the people at no cost of my own. I don't have to spend money. YouTube does that for me. I create a video, YouTube shows it to so many people. My message is across to them. This video that you're watching right now, what is this? This is my video. This is something that I have created in a very humble setup of mine. A few things that I've purchased out of the earnings of YouTube. I've bought this camera that I'm using this mic. I'm gonna make a video on that, what all stuff I use. There are very few things that I use to create my videos, and these are the things: a mic, a DSLR, a light, a few cosmetics that I've purchased. Yeah, so these are the things that I use. And there is something that just happens to me. There is suddenly an idea and I want to talk about it. I set up my mic, I sit down, I talk, I use my laptop to do a little bit of cropping here and there to remove the normal ifs and buts and something that is irrelevant, and I upload the video on YouTube. And then YouTube does the other part. YouTube is doing something for free for you, which you otherwise would pay thousands and thousands of rupees for. If you want to be known to the masses and you want to advertise something, you've got to spend lakhs of rupees these days. YouTube does that for you for free. I don't push my videos. How can I? Am I sitting on the algorithms, making them function according to me? No, YouTube is doing that for me. YouTube is taking care of all that for me. I create. I am the creator. That's my job. I create. YouTube pushes it to people. YouTube makes it visible to people. And that is why I say it's like a free service. You're getting it for free. Why don't you use it? And after you've created a certain amount of wealth in the shape of the number of subscribers you have, there are so many new doors which are going to open up for you. I can't even tell you what all is happening in my life right now. I wish I could share all that. Maybe I will someday when I feel like. Right now I don't feel like. Right now I feel like telling you that this is a free service. Go and use it. Don't just use it to consume. Use it to create. That's my message to you. Use this platform. It's free. They don't charge you anything to upload a video. Consume, fine. Don't just use it to consume. Consume, fine. But create also. It's free. and one day when people will know you, you're going to be paid for that, and you're going to be paid good money for that. There are people who are huge, they are massive, and those people, they have very limited seats for brands. If you're releasing 2 videos in a month, you just have 2 seats which you can sell for sponsors, right? You have to fight for those places, and you cannot imagine the kind of money you receive for those seats. Yeah, you're getting my point? If you're not trying, you're anyway not gaining anything. By trying, at least there is a hope something might work in your favor. Not now, not tomorrow, not next year, not maybe next to next year, but maybe 4 years from now. You never know. If something nice can happen to one person, it can happen equally with you too. So the thing is that it may not be a steady income from YouTube, but there are other modes of income which you may have from YouTube. YouTube does this favor to you by advertising your videos for free. You don't pay them for that. In fact, they are the people who are looking for advertisers for you, and they give you a share of that advertisement that they earn. They earn 100 rupees. They give you 55, they keep 45 for themselves. So they are even paying you for something that actually they are benefiting you with. They are benefiting me with those ads. Did I know all these big brands? If there is a Samsung ad running on my video, do I know Samsung personally? I don't know. And I have their ads being put on my videos. I'm earning from those ads. Why don't you use it? What is your excuse? Why don't you use it? Why are you complaining about what's going on in your life? Is it going to help you? You can only and only trust yourself when it comes to living a nice life and finding the comforts of life and everything that you want from your life. Okay, so my point through this video is that despite not being steady with the income part on YouTube, there is still a minimum that you will start earning. There is a minimum that you will start earning. Just a second. Okay, do it. Bye bye. Okay, I'll say that again nicely. Bye.